Hello there, I have a question. Have you ever wanted to receive ridiculous sloppy toppy from this here caterpillar? Well, so has Alan Pan. And I immediately know what you're thinking. Ugo, what in the actual Lord Farquaad are you talking about? Well, like all great stories, it starts with a group of crackheads recording a podcast, in which local news reporter Alan Pan casually mentions he wants a real-life Bug's Life fleshlight.
I've always wanted to f*** Heimlich from A Bug's Life. Ever since I was a kid, I've wanted to f*** this caterpillar. Someone out there, if you're listening to this, you know exactly what to do.
I know what to do.
Now, ever since I was a wee lad, I watched the great Alan Pan on the Science Channel, and that's when I knew if anyone would make this love bug, it needed to be me. And yet the real question remained, what in the actual hell was this strange yet sexy creature? And to answer that, dear boys and girls, we need to go back, all the way back, to the first fleshlight sighting in the distant year of January 2020. A time of sickness, panic, and most importantly, sexy Pixar characters. At 11:49 p.m. on this fateful night, Nathan Donovan would post this image to his twitter.com. And that is when a very special man would see this image. A man known as Malik Lazary. Now this man is an absolute legend. As an artist based out of Austin, Malik quickly began to make this absolute abomination by painting a slightly used pleasure device. But of course, nothing can ever be pure, and soon after this, hell itself got its dirty hands on this wonderful creature. From here, the meme boomed. It went viral on TikTok, it went viral on Instagram. Hell, it even got some media coverage. Even Vice wanted a taste of Heimlich's succulent folds. And yet there was a problem, a flaw in the design. In fact, there was a huge punting issue. His fleshlight hole was sealed up, and that's not good. Alan wants to have sex with the bug. He needs to have sex with the bug. How is he gonna have sex with the bug when the hole's sealed up? That's like having a puppy with no legs. You can't even play with it. And that's when I knew I would have to take up the mantle. If Alan wanted a fleshlight, I was gonna give him that gosh diddly darn fleshlight. Now, to start my creation of my Bug's Life war crime, I first modeled my desired caterpillar, then 3D printed my incredible, sexy little bug. Next, I picked up some alginate, a fun little substance that when mixed with water could create the perfect mold for my silicone. That's why we use scissors. Crap. Oh, it's all over my mic. Need about 3/4 of a cup. It is filled with just chunks. I think I did this wrong. Well, as you can see, that plan went to absolute shiitake mushrooms. My mold was cracked and terrible. Luckily, this is when my caveman brain remembered that CAD softwares exist, and with one little click of a button, I had the perfect mold. Then after printing this crime against God himself, I poured in my silicone, waited 24 hours, and just like that, this little bug was born, ready to give sloppy toppy to anyone's Then finally, all I had to do was 3D print a handle, paint him up, and hope Daddy Allen accepts my gift. And after only a few days of waiting, the mission was a success! I shipped Heimlich off to Allen and told him to go absolutely nanners. But what I didn't count on, boys and girls, was them opening it on their podcast.
Oh, it's just more bubble wrap. We have a letter here. Hey, Alan, I just wanted to thank you. You were the guy who got me into both science and YouTube. Aww. I watched your adventures on Mythbusters as a kid, and now I'm sending you a fleshlight as an adult. Crazy how the world works. Without your videos, I never would have found my calling on YouTube either. So thank you for inspiring me and others to get out there and make abominations. Also, please ignore the instructions printed on the handle. Under no circumstances should you fuck the caterpillar. This is incredible.
There's only one way we're allowed to break him, and it's not with a knife.
This is amazing. Thank you so much, General Ugo.
Yeah. Way out.
This is like
yes,
General
unfurl
Ugo.
your wings, fleshlight.
This is you, General Ugo. This is you being born into the
Unfurl
world of YouTube
your
and
wings
science.
and fly. Oh my God! Look at that purty mouth.
Wow.
Oh my god, the instructions.
It's got an embossed 3D printed label that simply says.
So it's got Heimlich on the front and on the top.
So it's oriented the right
FTC.
way so that you can read the instructions while you're doing the instructions.
I love just the whole, you inspire me
you
to
could
make
tell.
videos and then or you inspire me to become a maker, engineer, or scientist, and then this is what they're making.
It was I don't even know. I'm speechless. This is the
I bet
greatest
you
thing
Adam
I've
Savage
ever
has
seen.
never gotten a
Adam Savage
fleshlight in the
can
mail.
kiss our fucking
He can kiss
fleshlight.
Heimlich. You can kiss Heimlich right on the mouth, Adam. How do you clean it?
Oh, you don't need to clean it. You're only using it for yourself. The mouth is extremely tight. I will say that. I don't know what that implies about what he thought about our.
It's like stirring a pot of macaroni. He's biting you.
Wow.
This is amazing.
You should get the staple gun or the nail gun and put them on the wall right now.
I've got duct tape. I'll make a shelf. Okay.
I love that Mark Rober is inspiring kids to build little machines and traps, and people are, look at this fleshlight I made.
This is the centerpiece. There you go.
We're gonna come back tomorrow and it's gonna be on the ground.
The lighting.
It's so dramatic.
He's underlit.
Most evil fleshlight I've ever seen, and I've not seen very many.
Yes, that's right. Alan Pan, William Osman, and Kevin, backyard scientist, all took turns. Absolutely caterpillar. They just went just it was terrible. And that's how I became Ugo, creator of fleshlights, destroyer of dreams.